Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. If you've seen any of my videos, you know I try to do vehicle repairs and maintenance on my own. I typically don't like people touching my cars because sometimes you deal with people's incompetence, you know, rushing a job and it's not done right. So unfortunately there's only so many hours in a day, and you know, you can only do so much as one person. So I brought my car to a local shop to get an oil change, and the manager came out and said Ken went to pull the dipstick out and the handle broke off. This is a 2004 Nissan Sentra, by the way. So he said I could order you a new one, and I asked him just for giggles how much it would be, and he said $35. So I declined and I picked one up on my own. It was under $8, so I'm just gonna switch it out now. The only thing you're gonna need is a pair of needle nose pliers. You're just gonna grab the tab, just pull it right out. Simple and easy. And we'll put the new dipstick in. Just insert it and we're good to go. So if you don't want to run into the hassle that I had, do your own repairs and your own maintenance, that's what I'm definitely going to keep trying to do on my own. But anyway, the name is Beach Troll. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out in any way, just click like and consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.